welcome back. So today I'm going to be using this LA Colors gel light polish in the color Tender. So I'm going to be applying one coat. Alright, so I'm going in with this nail polish by Sally Hansen in Strobe Light. This is such a pretty pink champagne color. So what I'm doing here is that I'm adding some on the tip. And as I see that the brush is low on the polish, I'm going to be dragging down just so I can get that ombre effect but with glitter. And it doesn't leave that harsh line. And I'm going to be adding a nice layer of top coat. These are so pretty, guys, and super beginner friendly. If you guys are into fast DIY press-on nails, I recommend you to do these. They are really, really nice, and in person, I'm telling you guys, they look super, super cute. Alright, so I'm going to be using my nail glue by Model Ones. I love this glue. So I decided to add just one rhinestone on the bottom of each of the nails. This is the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.